All right. Now let's go ahead and then try to add multiple pens, multiple LEDs, so that we are able to know like how can I, if I have to use multiple LEDs or anything out there, instead of an LED, it can be anything out here, right? So let me just quickly do it. I'll go to the stop the simulation, get an LED out here and keep it here. Get one more LED out here and I'll keep it here. Now the concept remains the same. The cathode will always be in the ground itself. And now the question is, I only have one single ground out here. So what will I do with? And this is where a good thing comes. Breadboard is important. So I'll just put the breadboard here. Okay, and I'll take this LEDs and I'll put the LEDs here. Let me just put the LEDs on this. And I'll put an LED here again, one more LED on this, and one more LED. Sorry, I'll delete this wires so that I can make a new connections with them. And we go with this. Good enough, right? So what I'll do is I'll take one ground pin and connect it to a ground here. Good enough with this, right? I'll change the color to the black here, which is perfect for me. And that's all. And I'll take everybody's cathode, and you know this, like this hole is one, right? This hole is one. So if I connect from here to here, they're connected, right? Similarly from here to here, now that got a cathode. And for this also cathode. Done. Great. So now we have connected the cathode to everybody, and no matter like how many LEDs I have or how many components I have, I can go ahead and use this power supply from here. Now we have this anodes, right? So I'll just take it from here and let us connect to pin number 8. And I'll change the color to red here so that I have the difference. All right. And similarly, this one I'll connect to the pin number 5. Whatever I have it nearby, I'm just connecting there. And this to pin number 2. Great. So now they're all connected perfectly fine. So the ground is going here, and this hole is acting as 1. You can see this, it's giving you a green color indication that this hole is 1. So if I connect a ground here, it means that the whole row is having a ground. So I'm just tapping here, and then when I go here, is this hole is acting as 1. So if I've connected here and here, it means that all just 1. Good enough with this, and it's looking pretty good also. So let's try to change the color of this so that it looks like a traffic light. Okay, so let us click on this and change the color to orange, and let us click on change this color and make it to a green. So fine. So red, orange, and green. All right. Now it's time to code. Go to the code here, and I have changed the pins: pin number 8, pin number 5, and pin number 2. Right. I'll change this first one first. So I'll just make it to pin number 8 here. That is high, and low to pin number 8 again. I'll duplicate this completely and duplicate this and put it down there. I'll duplicate it again because I have 3 LEDs out there, right? Okay, when I duplicated it for the second time, I think so I had extra pins also here. So this is this much is extra. So I'll put this in the dustbin. Yeah. So I'll keep this on such. This to set 8 pin high and 8 pin low. And second one is pin number 5 high and pin number 5 low. Okay. And there's one thing missing in this, that is set pin number 3, I think so here. Second one. Then pin number 2 high and pin number 2 low, right? Pin number 2 high and pin number 2 low. Very simple, straightforward thing what we have here. Just keeping it. Pin number 8 high, low, 5 high, 5 low, 2 high, 2 low. Very simple, straightforward thing. Great. It's time for the test. Let's start the simulation. High, low, high, low, and high, low. Amazing, isn't it? Pretty simple as that. It works amazingly beautiful. Simple enough, and they keep on repeating ever and ever. The reason so they repeat is because they are into a for loop. Let's try to make it a bit quicker. I think so. It's taking some time, right? So I'll just go ahead here and then make it to 200, and I'll make them to milliseconds. Similarly, 200, and then make it to milliseconds. And then this one I'll make it to 500, so that slightly change in them. Milliseconds, 500. You can give any different values. It need not that on and off should be of the same value. It can be of different values too, and that should be perfectly quick, like perfectly fine. Fine, that should go really well. So 100 milliseconds. So 100 milliseconds. All up to you, like whatever you wanted. Let me just see how it goes now. Let's start the simulation again, and this should be quick. So it goes like it starts very quick and then goes slow, and then quick and slow, and so on, right? So does it look? I hope it's amazing, isn't it?